Welcome to Open Concept Construction. Today we are going to make this look more like this. So I am famous for breaking the crap out of hammers. That's the reason I started buying steel shanked hammers. And axes. I may have a problem. Today I am going to take brand new hickory shafts and connect them to their new place. Well, first things first, I gotta get the wood out of this thing. Oh! So, I had to do a little grinding here, a little grinding here. We'll get that. I've got my 90-degree grinder with a flappy paddle. It's just a bunch of pieces of sandpaper on there. In the shop with me today, as always, young Eric and John. They're here to make sure I don't make myself bleed too much.
Still happens, we just take care of it in post.
We take care of it in post?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have no problem. I can see just fine with my sunglasses on. I bashed it on so I can see right there it's catching. Right there it's catching. Here, this basically this whole side. So I'm gonna kind of work this whole face back and forth, knock some of that off. Let's see what we got. It's still really tight. Oh yeah. So these came with a shim that you pound in through the top. And that's the wedge. So once it's inside, you pound the wedge in. Friction fits into the space, and then the axe doesn't go flying off into space when you're trying to split something. Yeah, see, that's exactly what that axe is supposed to do. So once you get it all the way on there, and I've got kind of a collar that I've ground it down to, so it'll be tight into it. Drive that sucker in there. That one's good for now. This one is a little bit smaller. Seems the hole is smaller than the axe handle. First thing I'm going to do is just take a hair off of both sides. Tapered just a little bit. So I don't want to take off much, so I'm coloring the whole part that I'm doing with the pencil, and then I'll grind off just enough to make the pencil disappear. We're so close. Maybe if we give it some concrete love. Oh yeah. It's so tight that I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this shim in there. I'm gonna take a bunch off the face of both sides to open it up inside there so we can actually get the shim in. So now I'm gonna use a tool. I don't know which one yet. To cut these off, probably vibro saw. That's what I'll use. Vibro saw. So now we're nice and tight all the way through the whole thing. One down. By the way, this is called a double bit axe. There's 2 parts. Just trying to get some of the rust off of it a little bit more, but. Pretty. This one got snapped off because someone was using it, one of my axes, like stuck it in and then they were twisting, trying to break a log in half. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make that work or not. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to cut down into it after I shape it. I've got a bandsaw. What the heck? So now we'll use this as a guide.
Got that.
Hey, I broke the bandsaw blade. If I do this right, I'll be taking the same amount off of both sides. Big UFC fight this weekend. As excited as you are about college hockey, I am about UFC.
And the national championship is Saturday night.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
Who's playing?
UMD Bulldogs.
Bulldogs, whoop whoop.
And
Troy Thompson will be very pleased.
And Notre Dame. Troy Thompson and Jeff Myers also.
Oh yeah. At some point, this axe. Oh! God, I'm almost there. Dude, I actually don't have to touch it anymore. I literally, like, it went perfect all the way to the neck. Guessing that's the bottom. It broke right off. Alright, that is pleasing. I'm going to do a little grind on this one. Just to pretty it up a little bit. Make it shine for the pictures. You know. This is pleasing. Axe handle, putting in. It's a pain in the butt, but it works really well. So the axes are done. Thanks for watching axe handle replacement surgery. Hit subscribe and hit like, and we'll talk to you next time. I thought you were talking about like famous people.
I don't know if we're
Brett Hedican.
I don't know if we're gonna get Brett Hedican to watch this,
Hey,
but
you never know. This could turn into some viral thing.